Well, after working diligently for over 2 years on concept and design and having the construction project actually last about 1.5 years, we're nearing the end of completion and we're very excited to get this new project operational and functional for Pennington County. Get the new kitchen, laundry, and staff area open up and ready for business in the next couple of weeks. This newly remodeled space will allow us to more efficiently provide critical functions and service related to housing over 800 individuals in day in custody in Pennington County in our 3 facilities. We're excited for the additional workspace that we've added for our dedicated and loyal staff. It's going to be a much needed addition to the space to help them efficiently provide briefing, training, and a little bit of separation between work and taking their scheduled breaks.
So the key to successful corrections is correctional staff. Quality correctional staff are sustained through investment. Our briefing and training areas were significantly undersized and they doubled as our break area. Our locker rooms and restrooms were insufficient for the size of agency we are today. And this project appropriately prioritizes the health and well-being of our staff. We believe that an investment into our people is smart business and the dividends will be felt for years.
So over time, the jail supervisors have been moved throughout the jail to accommodate the needs of the jail. Finally, we're able to put them in a place where they can mentor and collaborate with each other to have a solid working environment. We really feel giving them a good work environment will help them be more successful and become better leaders.
The new laundry area is considerably larger than our old one. We'll be able to have 3 washers, 3 dryers. The extra added space will allow us to have dedicated areas for storage, for folding, dirty laundry, clean laundry. The efficiency of the machines will enable us to do the laundry in the main jail annex and also to add in the laundry for the care campus and JSC.
On an average day, the Pennington County Jail has approximately 20 trustees working in the jail kitchen, another 10 trustees or so working in the laundry department. These trustees are selected for these positions and are able to provide a service for the jail and learn valuable work skills that can assist with them in finding gainful employment once released back into the community. Another benefit of us utilizing trustees in these departments is it allows the jail to minimize operating costs, which is a benefit to the taxpayers of Pennington County.
So we're really excited to move into our new kitchen. We're using old equipment that doesn't really perform well, and we're really excited to get our brand new equipment that's going to cook a lot better, perform a lot better. In our new kitchen, we're going to have more space. It allows us more dietary options, and our new kitchen gives inmates a little more incentive and motivation to want to work in an area that they can take some pride in. And this new equipment is going to give them a real opportunity to basically learn some basics of cooking as well as institutional cooking.
We're thankful and appreciative of the Pennington County Commission and our community. We're also very thankful for the leadership provided by Sheriff Kevin Tome and Buildings and Grounds Director Mike Kuhl and all of the rest of our dedicated staff to make this project a reality over the past several years. We're also very thankful for our architectural team, our general contractor, and all the subcontractors that work hard to keep us on track, on schedule, and within budget. I think that it's very fitting that this project is wrapping up so near to National Corrections Week. We have an unbelievable staff that work hard to keep our community safe. Thank you.